Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Glad to see you here. Hope you're doing well. Today in this video I want to show you how to make money on the Forex market, one of the biggest markets, trading markets in the world. I'm using the IQ option platform. This is an absolutely great platform. Of course, you can find the link in the description panel of this video, and it will be absolutely great if you'll join to our family, the big family of investors and traders, because this is pretty simple and pretty easy way to grow your own income, to grow your money, and to do when your money working for you, not you working for money. If you have some even small amounts of money, there's a lot of people writing in comments, okay, you're trading $100 and $1,000, we don't have like $1,000 to invest. It's okay, you can start with the $10 on this platform, and I love this platform because you can jump in literally with $10. It's absolutely easy. And if you see that a couple minutes ago, I just pressed two buttons, this one, buy button, and right now from $200 of investment I have already 25%, 13% and $25 of income. And this is pretty amazing. This is pretty easy. Even if you don't know all the technical analysis stuff, if you're first time on the trading issue, but you're interested, I want to show you that this is absolutely fantastic way to make money. Why? Because first of all, this platform is absolutely transparent and understandable. There's no some difficult things to learn or to understand. And you see I opened two positions, and this positions brought me $30. I can close these positions, close it all, 32 bucks in like 5 minutes, literally. There's a great tool, there's an interesting widget right here in the left side of the screen. If you don't know about the technical analysis, if you don't know how to act on this platform and in the Forex market in general, there's a plethora of tools, but this widget is just amazing. Why? Because all the traders who are on the platform right now, they're acting somehow, buying or selling the stocks, the Forex, and this widget shows how all the people who are available on the market right now on the platform, how they acting. So 54% of people absolutely sure that you need to press buy. You can change the amount of money right here. So let's leave this $100. And if you scroll out a little bit, you'll see that the trend in general is up going right now. It's up going. That means you need to press buy button. Let's do it right now. Of course, the price is changing all the time, and the price can fall down a little bit, but in general, we'll wait a couple minutes to show you how this works. The price is going down right now. We can, for example, press the sell button on this spot because the price is pretty high right now. You see, there was a height right here, there was a height right here, and there's great potential to get the height up here or higher. But in general, the trend is upgoing, the price is growing, and this is great. And even if you have like couple minutes a day, 10 or 20 or half an hour, you can trade and you can grow your money. Like, you have your job, okay, but everybody has a free time, or in the evening, or the best thing about this platform that you can download it to your smartphone, and you don't need even the laptop or computer. You can trade literally from anywhere where's internet connection. That's it. That's pretty amazing thing, because you have a money in your pocket, in your smartphone. Of course, there's plenty, I told you already, there's plenty of people writing like in comments that we don't have thousands of dollars. Okay, invest $10, grow small amounts of money, and when you'll figure out how it's made and how it's acting, I'm sure that you can make $100 from $10 in 1 week. And the same thing, if you have $100, you can make $1,000 in 1 week. With the small steps, spending a little bit more time on the platform, but you can do it for sure, because I did it. Like right now, I have some amount of money on my balance, and I feel confident that I can afford to lose some money on the platform if the situation going not the way that I needed, or not the way I predicted. But the thing is, even with a small amount, even literally with $10, because this is the minimum amount of money that you can invest on this platform, even with the $10, you can make your money work for you, and in some time, like maybe in a month, maybe in a 2, you can even quit your job and like act on this platform like for full time. But before you need to try. First of all, I left the link in the description panel of this video, so you should get easily to the platform. Of course, you need to pass the registration, you need to pass the confirmation of your email, and after that you'll be able to trade. And this is pretty awesome and pretty amazing, because this is simple. A lot of people thinking that this is something complicated. It's not, and this is the main purpose of my video, to show you that it's not difficult, it's not complicated, and you can try it yourself. And when you're gonna try it, you'll see that I don't know the business in the world which can give you such fast growing of your investment. Really, a lot of people thinking that if you have a business that gives you 50% of income, of profit per year, this is a great business. But I believe, and I did it myself, and you can do it yourself. I believe that everybody in the world can make more income than 50% per year in the short period of time. So I don't know, maybe in 5 minutes, like I've made $3. Yes, it's not a big amount of money, but if I would invest 1,000, I would get $30, for example. Even with the small amounts of money, let's close this position, for example. Close it. Okay, almost $4. Just sit and count how much time you need to spend on your job where you go in every day to get $4 or 5 or 10 or 100. Just count it, okay? And after you did it, alrighty, let's reopen this slot, because this is a great spot when the price went down, and you know the trend is up going and the price will grow. Fantastic. Just think about it. How much time you need to spend to make like $10? Think about it. And after you'll think about it, Just go to the description panel of this video, find the link to get to the platform, and try to invest money on this platform. And I promise in a week you'll be much more happier than you are now. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna continue to trade and I'm gonna continue to make money online. Thanks. See you in the next video. Bye.